What do you think, brother? Should I take the trade now? Hello? Hello, can you hear me? Brother, if I take the trade now, what should be my ISL?
Euro JPY, if you want to take it now. Is that what you're
Should
saying?
I? Yeah.
I mean, my stop loss did not
I
hit
shouldn't?
yet, so I don't know. It's honestly up to you.
Okay, so there's 200 moving average resistance at 1 hour chart.
Yeah, I see it. You see that right here.
Yeah.
So from here, it could actually reject. That's why I still have my stop loss above the 200.
Yeah, but I'm afraid it might wick and come back.
That is also very possible. That is also
Yeah,
very possible.
exactly.
Very possible. Tonight is not gonna be a long one. I have a thing tomorrow that I need to wake up for, so it's gonna be a quick 1 hour.
No problem,
So
brother,
I'll be,
whatsoever.
yeah,
You can you
at
can
one.
even go now if you want to.
No. I'm here till 1. So 1 a.m. my time. So an hour from
Okay,
now.
so 45 minutes now. Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Can you please also have a look at AUD USD
Yeah, we will do
because
it.
that's also in Asia session, right?
Yeah. So for GJ, um, I don't know what he's just doing right now. It's just playing games. For GJ, it's playing around this area now. This area still haven't been tested and all this, so I'm expecting price to come down. Daily time frame, yeah. Look, I mean, look at this stupid consolidation on the daily on GJ, bro. It's so gross, man. It's so disgusting. Anyway,
Well, I drew a weekly trend line, right? And it matches with around 160 at GJ.
oh yeah. I mean, this could have been a great entry down here. Hmm. Okay. Sam Banks is awake.
Yeah, what's up,
How you
man?
doing, bro?
Yeah, I'm great. How
Nice.
about you?
I'm in drawdown. I'm I'm perfect.
Same here.
Oh man, it's annoying. But listen, I mean, it doesn't matter, right? It's 1% anyway.
Yeah, it's fine.
I mean, this is probably what? This is the first loss in this week for me. So it's been a great
For you?
week.
What about the one before this? GJ, I think hit stop loss. No?
GJ had break even. A lot of them, not a lot, like three maybe break even.
No, the one before this. Wasn't it GJ?
Did I send the GJ
I
trade
don't
before
remember.
this?
Let me
I
see.
sent Euro
The
JPY.
one.
The one before this GJ was a
Yeah, yeah.
take profit. Yeah, 55 pips. The one before.
Yeah, no, no, no. 1 second. Who
Yeah, I'm
was.
looking at my trade
Juro
ideas.
JPY.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Euro
Juro
JPY is the current
JPY.
one.
Yeah.
It's still ongoing, right?
This
Yes.
This one is in red, but the one before this was also a red one on your JPY. I'm talking about. It hit stop loss.
Oh, the buy. Yeah,
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 it
yeah, yeah.
was a buy.
Wait.
Yeah,
CP1. Oh, yeah, yeah, the buy. Yeah, yeah. Okay, yes. This one is in red. The one before is stop loss. Yes, you're right. You're right. My bad.
yes.
Sorry. Yeah.
I especially woke up today as well, and today I was learning, watching your top-down analysis video, and I was
Mm.
making notes and everything. I'm halfway through it,
Is it making sense?
and yeah, it is. It's awesome too. I love
It
it.
keeps you with price. You know exactly what's happening and where it could going.
It It does,
Yeah.
and yeah, I got your point. Like your analysis, the 4 hour one,
Yes.
lets you take the better entry.
Oh, that's the wick, bro. Best entries.
Exactly.
The literally wick.
Yeah,
Sniper entry. That's
take
why
it
I
to your
have an
stop,
amazing risk to
risk
reward
reward.
ratio.
Exactly.
True that, yeah.
So what's the plan today?
Well, the plan is to see if this trade is gonna hit stop loss or take profit. I'm still gonna hold. I'm gonna let it hit stop loss. If it does, I'm gonna stick to my trade idea. I'm not gonna fuck around with it.
Yeah, yeah,
If it does, then that's just 1%. It is what it is. Um,
yeah.
and yeah, I'm now searching the market for another opportunity. If from now to an hour I don't find anything, I may call it a night because I do have something tomorrow early morning, so it's not gonna be a late one today. Um, but yeah,
Okay.
that's literally about it. So I just walked through GJ on pound yen. I'm not really seeing anything like super clean. Um, you could argue, you can see my chart, correct?
Yeah, I can.
Yeah, you could argue that now we may see a sell down to this area, but the entry,
Yeah.
not how I like it, not how like clean and precise. It's a lot of wicks. It's been
As you
tested
would like
multiple
it.
times this area, and it could just break. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I
Because
know. I know.
support and resistance is a little bit different than a trend line. Trend line, the more the price touches it, the stronger the trend line is. But then support,
Yeah.
the more the price touch that support, the weaker it gets, and it may break.
The
It's like,
weaker it
imagine
gets.
keep hitting the same spot on a wall. Eventually, you're gonna put a hole through that wall. So same thing with
Exactly.
yeah. So
Exactly.
same thing with the support. If the market keeps on pushing, and trying to break that area, eventually it's gonna fucking break. It's just simple logic. That
Of
support is just gonna get weaker and weaker and weaker, and then boom, it's gonna break. Sellers are gonna win eventually. The buyers can hold them and fight them for a while, but eventually it's the sellers are much stronger than
course.
buyers.
I'm sending a picture in the chat, a trading view picture.
Yeah, so
So after watching some of your video, I also marked my chart the way you said it, and then you said that trade of your JPY, and I was watching your lines. It was like your lines and my lines are
exactly the
kind
same.
of like, yeah, kind of the same.
Oh yeah, good.
I did mark like two extra lines, but I deleted them because
Yeah, the
I
rest is
understood that they were,
preference.
and yeah,
The rest is preference. I
yours
like
was.
my charts is as clean as possible, and then I delete whatever is not relevant.
I even set the chart like as the same template as yours, like blue
Oh,
and
nice.
red,
Yeah,
blue
it's
and
much
black.
cleaner.
Yeah, sure.
It's
I
clean,
was
it's
like,
simple,
okay,
and you can
if I'm
see the
gonna
numbers.
copy this guy, I'm gonna copy him
Everything.
from like from
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
everything.
No, that's cool. That's very cool. Yeah, I like your chart. So you've got your 4 hour. Um, wait,
Yeah.
what is this? Euro JPY. Let me check. Okay, Euro JPY. 4 hour time frame. We do have this. Yeah, and we have a daily. So if you go on the daily now, you can see now price has printed a
Mm-hmm.
new daily found support. You see these two candles?
Yeah.
So now what you can do is have a daily level here, because you can see price just printed a new found support.
Yeah.
So make sure you
Exactly.
make sure you
So I
put
can
that
like
on your chart. Yeah,
update the chart
exactly. Every
as
yeah
you're making
every
your
so
candles.
every day, look at the daily, update your lines and stuff.
Yeah.
Every 4 hour, do the same thing. Um,
Yeah, 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 I got you. One thing I wanted to ask you is why do you use an arrow? Why don't you use like a ray for the 4 hour?
because the ray is for
Because
the
you have to.
daily. I know my daily is a ray. Why would I, you know?
You can you. No, no, no. I meant you can just change the color. No,
Nah, I don't like
of
the.
the
You see
ray.
how the ray puts a number? Yeah.
Yeah.
It like
So
highlights
you
the
don't want
number.
it.
I don't want that. Yeah, I want a clean. I want a clean numbers. I want as minimum as possible.
Understood. Understood.
And
Understood.
then when I'm
So
looking at
do you
price, I already
have
my eyes are kind of boxed in between daily and daily.
Have you deleted the 4 hours lines yet or not?
Well, why would I delete them? They're still, so this one, right? This one I
Valid?
haven't. The reason for that is
Yeah.
this candle,
We're still in the trade?
yeah, this 4 hour candle, if it closes below the line, it's considered now
Mm-hmm.
valid. It's still valid. Because remember,
Mm-hmm.
for an area to be broken, there has to be two or more candles in this up in closed up above in the same direction. So if
Mm-hmm.
this 4 hour candle comes in
For what
close,
to happen? 1 second. For what to happen?
sorry,
For what to happen, the candle has to close above?
no, below the red line, then this area is not
Okay,
broken.
so. Not sure. Okay.
Yeah, because price could literally print this
I'm, s-
candle down here, and
I'm,
then
s-
look, it's a bearish engulfing. That's, you know.
yeah, I'm still like learning. I'm not sure. It's not making sense right now, but I'm sure it will make sense as we,
Mm.
follow this, as I'm getting better and better
Hundred
and more
percent, hundred
experienced with
percent,
this.
exactly.
Okay, I'm gonna mark the daily, you know, bodies now.
I mean, to be fair, right now would have been a much better entry for a short.
You're okay. So
Yeah.
yeah, I was wondering why didn't you wait for retracement for this
So
one?
no, so what
Could
happened is,
gotten a
okay,
better
so
one.
here's my thought process behind this trade. This area, you see this area right here,
Yeah.
the market has already wicked through, and then after it wicked through, look what happened. It dropped down, right, all the way to here. So now I
Yeah.
thought, okay, if this area has been used, okay, cool, the market has used it, whatever, the sellers came in and pushed market down. And now this is just going to be another retracement to take more sells from this area, because
Mhm.
this area was not tested yet. And look what happened.
Mhm.
Price wicked through. I was in profit for a little while, and then just in less than 20 minutes, this candle went
Mhm.
bullish and closed all the way up there.
Yeah.
It was out of the blue.
So your trade is stopped out? Are you saying?
My what? My charts?
No, the trade is not stopped out
No, I'm
anymore,
still in.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Stop loss is
I'm
one
also
three six eight oh one.
okay.
Yeah. So
I'm also.
AUDSD, nothing where I would take trades from. Maybe down here.
Mhm.
From this 4 hour newfound demand slash support, or I would
Mhm.
maybe take a quick short here. Euro JPY was still in, so nothing is happening here. USD JPY is an interesting one because um, we are at a daily actually right now. But however, this daily is fucked, so let's move this daily here, get the new daily there. Let's delete this 4 hour, and now we have a bearish engulfing, a little retest happening, and that's what we're seeing right now.
Actually, I was drawing Fibonacci on daily level on this pair, USD JPY,
It's so
and
bullish.
I didn't observe any place closing at 3.38.2.
Yeah, that's why I still have my fib from down here all the way to up here, and yet the price is yet to make a 38.2. It's only made here
Yeah,
20.
exactly. So it hasn't, yeah,
It hasn't made a lower
it
high
hasn't
yet.
made any, yeah.
This whole push is literally one big push. So I'm so, yeah. I mean, that's why for me, that's why I thought sells would be I'd be interested in shorts, because I mean it'd be nice to catch the retracement back to a lower high point. Jeez, look how perfect this was.
Okay, brothers, I have a question.
Yeah,
So on USDJPY, if it hasn't made any structure, it hasn't closed at 38.2, right?
yeah.
So how are we going to take the 4 hours Fibonacci then?
You don't. Well, what you actually, okay, hold on. What you can do,
Okay.
you start from point A, your 4 hour. If there is, wait, no, there is point B, bro. So you start from here. What are you talking about? Here's point B. So you take your 4 hour fib
That's
from
point
point
B,
B.
but it hasn't closed at 38.2,
It,
right?
it, it doesn't have to, but you have point B to take your 4 hour fib from.
Okay, so that's the rule as well. Okay.
So let's do that, right? So yeah, I have it right here. So
Okay.
that's one, right? From here to here,
Yeah.
that's one market structure point. I know because I don't have to place Fibonacci. I know it by eye. And then from here to here to here, that's 38.2. From here to here, that's also maybe 50%, 61.8. And then that's the new market for our structure. And you can see how price retraced 100% and then never closed above
Yeah.
because it wants to hold
Yeah, exactly.
structure.
I drew it exactly like this, the
Yeah,
4 hours as well.
yeah, yeah. That's why.
But now that the wicks have
Oh, the wick can go above.
crossed
It's fine.
this yellow line, what is it called? Okay, it's fine.
100%.
So this 4 hours is still valid, right?
Oh yeah, yeah. Because the body's closing on the line and below. It never closed above. You see?
Okay.
Yeah.
So it can fall as well then.
Oh yeah, 100%. This yeah.
Yeah. It might also create 38.2 on daily level, maybe.
Yeah. So basically, this bearish Fibonacci could this TP could be the market structure level. Okay, so this is really interesting, and I'll tell you why. You see here the yen pair, right? Yen on the 1 hour just made a new found market structure and settled at 88.6. So if this pair flies, Euro JPY is gonna drop to hell. So, and that is my that's why also why I took this trade. One of the reasons. To be honest, Max, yes, I would. Um, I thought this area would hold, but maybe this one will. 100%. Still bearish. I would. Personally, I would. I'm not saying you should. I'm saying I would. Uh, that's a little bit too high for my liking, but you can. That's like 40 pips. That's a little bit too high. I would rather put it above these wicks. So like 136, 803, 801 is a good number. No problem, bro. Kevin, good brother. How you doing, bro? I'm very well, thank you. Oh, look at this, guys. Are you guys seeing this?
Yes. Yeah.
This is the 1 hour, but look, USD
Yeah.
Very
This
interesting.
can be a sell, right?
100%. You can even have like a 10 pip stops.
Yeah.
1 to 3, 30 pip take profit.
Are
Easy
you gonna
peasy.
take it?
Uh, hmm. I'm thinking.
Or are you gonna let that one play out and then?
I mean, I'm definitely letting that one play out. That's for sure. I'm not touching that one. I have my stops in place. I have everything in place. But this one is really interesting. But
Yeah.
USD, man, USD is very strong right now. It's very bullish. Um, yeah,
So you're having second thoughts.
yeah, because it's also a 1 hour zone. It's not a 4 hour zone. I would have definitely took it if it was a 4 hour zone.
Yeah.
But this literally is a 1 hour zone.
What do you mean by 1 hour zone?
So look at the 4 hour time frame, right? I don't have the 4 hour zone is down here, and then that one is
Yeah.
up here. This one, it still hasn't made a newfound 4 hour resistance for me to take sell from, but it made on the 1 hour, but the 1 hour is not as strong as the 4 hour. And I usually like to
Yeah.
to take my trades based on higher time frame, so that if I do have a stop loss, it's most likely much safer than a stop loss
Safer.
on a 1 hour. Yeah. So the higher the
1 hour.
time frame is, the stronger.
The stronger the support resistance.
Exactly, exactly.
Gotcha.
But this is cool. If you know, if you guys want to take it, go ahead. I'm fine. And
Okay.
I'm now seeing some
Now the
progress on our trade.
really?
Yeah, because look, I'm watching it here on the. I have my MetaTrader open on the iPad next to here, um,
Yeah.
and it's on the 15 minutes. What is this? 15? Yeah, and the price just made a lower high with a new bearish engulfing on 15. So it's looking good. You know, this trade could actually. Oh, look at that. Um,
Turn around.
and drop. Yeah, I mean, yeah, it could drop actually. This, yeah. I mean, yeah.
Maybe.
I've
Hopefully.
just entered, but I can't see the stop loss and the screen is not clear.
Sorry, what are you saying?
Uh, what is the stop loss and take profit?
For what? Euro JPY? Oh, for this trade.
USD JPY.
Oh, the stop loss is 137,175,
Okay.
and TP1 is 136,765.
Okay, and TP2?
I would probably have it at 136,500.
1265. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. And the only reason why I wouldn't take this trade, here is why. 4 hour time frame is still, this 4 hour is not completed, right? So let's say this 4 hour time frame is finished and closes bearish, right? Now this this two newfound resistance on the 4 hour, once this candle closes, the market would probably wick back in that area, and that's when I'll probably take myself. So yeah, for as long as this 4 hour is playing out, yeah, the 1 hour is a little bit weaker, but that's why it's only a 4 hour line. So it's not a 1 hour line. But yeah, yeah. So look at this. This second entry is very sniper. Very nice
Yeah.
second entry. Yeah. Jeez, look at that.
How much ROR is that?
That is 1 to 4.2.
Okay.
And this one would have been a 1 to 2.3. So, yeah. And if you're looking at the 4 hour fib, I mean, this thing could melt down all the way for another like a few hundred pips, to be honest, long term. Yeah, 500 pips. Because this bear is very, very fucking bearish, I'll tell you that.
Mm-hmm.
Um, yeah.
Brother Kamal,
Yeah, bro.
I need to take a break, and maybe I'll meet you tomorrow, inshallah. Okay?
Alright, bro. Yeah, I'm gonna probably go off like really, really soon.
Okay. 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 See you
Alright.
tomorrow then,
See you
inshallah.
tomorrow, inshallah. Take care, man.
Alaikum.
Bye bye. I swear, YouTube, you guys got the better entry here. Look at the sniper fucking entry. God damn. That's why. Look at the time. YouTube, look at this time, right? 19. Look at this time here. 12. Age a session. Don't take trades outside of a session. Take trades only in session. I always go through the mistakes I make just to learn from them. No matter how good the setup looks, like this one. You have to sometimes embrace the mistakes you do to learn them.
Yes, totally agree.
You're like, God damn, did I just do that? Yeah, you did, dumbass.
Honestly, I don't think this was a mistake. It was just an opportunity that, didn't work out.
100%, no, 100%. I mean, it's still working out. It's, it,
Yeah, it's just didn't go as we planned.
yeah. This could definitely just be one of them that just wanted a session for it to drop and actually play out. And I just took the
Exactly.
trade because I also don't want to miss the opportunity. So, I mean, adding
Yeah.
1%,
You can
taking
see.
1% here and then another percent here, that's 2% total of, and I'm happy with that.
So did you take that trade? The one, the
Yeah,
sniper
up
one?
here, yeah, I did add one position up there. Yeah, I added
Oh, okay.
another position up
Can
there.
you like take a screenshot real quick? Can you take a screenshot and send trade ideas because I can't really see the numbers
All
in
right, let me do
this
that once.
Discord stream. Yeah.
If you can't see the number, just click on Open Original down at the bottom of the.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's what I do
yeah.
always. So black one's the entry, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I should actually change it because the the chart is.
You want to change the entry?
No. What I mean is like change the color to like make it different than the price because price is also black.
Yeah, it gets a little confusing.
That's what I'm saying. So let me actually do that right about now. So style, line, text. It's probably the line, right? Yeah. Okay. So I'll make it greenish. Yeah. No. Yo. What should I make it?
I, for me, it's gray.
Yeah. I'll make it gray. I'll make it gray. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Cool. Okay. Yeah. So I was telling Hamad that I have something going on tomorrow early in the
Yeah.
morning, so that's why I need to call it a night at 1 a.m. So should be about
Yeah,
now.
yeah, yeah.
So I hope you guys don't
All
mind.
right,
I
man.
will see you guys tomorrow again, same time, same place, same
All
shit,
right.
different days.
All right, dog. Take it easy,
Alright,
bro.
bro. Cheers,
I'll
man. Bye
learn
bye.
your top-down analysis in the meantime.
Yeah. Great.
Awesome.
Cheers.